simply just holding himself with one hand. Once everything's clear, he'll check down below, hold himself steady with one hand, release the brake, and when he's ready, he'll look down and he'll just descend.
Mark West is my name, from Enware, Australia. We're an Australian manufacturer. We manufacture commercial industrial tapware as well as environmental and safety products. We're an Australian-owned company and have been in business for in excess of 70 years. And we now distribute not just in Australia but worldwide. We have an office in Singapore, UAE, and a representative in the UK as well. Yeah, absolutely. What we've designed is a self-contained shower. Enware looked at the industry where there was, particularly in the mining, where there was remote areas, remote access, and we wanted to develop a product that essentially met all the standards. And in doing that, we had to go back to the drawing board, if you like, and come up with a product that, for want of a better term, is a smart shower. In saying that, what it does is it's a product that it meets both ANSI standard, international standard, and Australian standards. The product itself, it self-monitors, and what it does is it monitors water temperature. It will monitor water level, the water temperature, and inside the system is a pump and it's battery operated. So it needs to continually check those on a daily basis, bring it down to an hourly basis, or even a minute-by-minute basis, to ensure that this is at the ready whenever there is an emergency response. And that's how we've brought it back, so that it continually self-tests and is ready to go at all times. Okay, as I said, what we've developed is a smart shower, and in doing that we put as many safety features that would monitor the system and have it on the ready at 24/7. Starting at the top, the system has a bank of lights on top. It has a green light that flashes every 15 seconds, and what that's telling you is that the system is in the ready and everything is functioning fine. Beside the green light is an amber light, and if an amber light flashes at any time, it's telling you may need to do some troubleshooting on the system itself. And what that could mean is that because the system is so self-sufficient, it may, for example, have too much dust on the solar panel that charges the batteries. If it is too dusty, the yellow light flashes, tells you need to clean the panel. Clean the panel, it'll work fine again. It could be, once you do some troubleshooting, that you have a look at the panel at the front, and it may be telling you, in this instance, as you can see, there's low water, and so you need to refill the water. Another monitoring system could be that it's telling you that the water temperature is too high or too low, in that if you were to use that shower, the temperature itself could be more harmful than the water the job that the water's doing. And it monitors water temperature, and also the battery system. It's telling you that your battery level is fine or needs to be charged or replaced. And inside is also a pump, and it self-tests the pump as well. So everything about the system is checked on every 15 seconds, so that it's telling you it's ready to go. The shower itself, it's in a fully self-contained stainless steel box. And inside that box is insulated water tank, which means that the shower and the water level and temperatures are kept at what we call a tepid range, which is required within the standard. The unit itself has two operations, one for the shower, which is just a push on, and the shower will operate immediately, or if it wasn't using the shower and the eye wash was required, it's a simple just push on hand operation, as per any normal safety shower or eye wash. The unit itself can be either forklifted or slinged onto site. It can be situated on any flat surface. It's got forklifting built into the forklift, a pallet system built into the bottom for forklifts, or at the side there's some lifting modes so that it can come straight off and be placed onto a surface. Essentially what we've done here is thought of every safety feature we could and we put it into the unit, and that's where it works. Yeah, well, mining was the main area that we targeted. However, any remote site or any area where there's no access to water, shutdowns is another market that we're looking at, where they are shutting down any major operations. Obviously, that then leaves situations where there may not be water on site or accessible, and shutdowns is another one. Power stations, so they're just a couple of areas that it may be suited to. Yeah.